In the race for AI innovation, lack of data is the most frequently identified barrier to AI adoption. But if your data is not governed, it's not ready for AI. Most organizations have data compliance policies but have little confidence in their data. Manual enforcement, training programs, and spreadsheets can't keep up with the speed of AI data demands. That's why OneTrust is introducing data policy enforcement. We're connecting policies to infrastructure for high-speed and automated enforcement. We've collaborated closely with the data cloud providers, including Databricks and Snowflake, to ensure that your team has end-to-end enforcement of data policies. You'll know immediately which columns are already protected and which might need additional review by a human. You can apply policy actions to remediate violations. To create a new data policy, you will use the data classification terms that were applied automatically by OneTrust. This helps you create effective governance controls such as column masking and row filtering. Here's how column masking works. You will select the sensitive columns that need to be masked and create a new policy. In the policy, you will define the action, which includes the policy conditions based on the terms applied, the masking option, and the user's role. Want to control visibility based on user roles, regional access, or consent preferences? Row filtering brings fine-grained access control to life, limiting data access based on policies you configure for complicated policies like consent. This means better compliance, stronger security, and fewer risks of unauthorized access, improving governance and compliance in regulated industries. And because OneTrust supports layering, you can combine row filtering and column masking in the same policy. Build once, enforce everywhere automatically. As adoption of AI accelerates, automation is the only way to scale data governance. OneTrust turns your policies into real-time, enforceable action for both human and machine access. Ready to govern smarter? Join the private preview of OneTrust Data Policy Enforcement today.